I'm Amitabh Nag, Chief Executive Officer of Digital India Bhashni Division. Digital India Bhashni Division is the implementing agency for National Language Translation Mission, which aims to transcend the language barrier. We implement the digital systems to understand the voice, speak out the voice, and also translate it in 22 languages. We have already done in 22, and we also have added 14 more languages on text to make it 36 languages portfolio. We also have a platform which delivers services as an API, so the inferencing can happen on a real-time basis. We have a mobile app which actually allows the common man to converse on a speech on real-time basis from one language to other. We have actually made country digitally inclusive. The Panchayati Raj systems, the rural development systems, the banking systems, all of them have gone live on multilingual basis, and many of them are on the way to also adopt voice as the primary medium of conversation. This is the primary reason while we are bridging the language divide, we are bridging the digital divide, we are bridging the literacy divide, and by interfacing with products like e-office, we are also improving the productivity of the officers. So, four main reasons. One, inclusivity for language, inclusivity in the digital systems, inclusivity for the people on the other side of literacy divide by using voice, and then improving productivity using voice are the bedrock of the things why we have won this award, and we almost touch about 30 crore citizens today. We work with state governments, we work with startups, we work with industry, and we of course work with line ministries in the central government to make this all happen. It is actually a collaborative and co-creating effort where we are perhaps creating one of the largest voice-based multilingual AI platform, which is a co-creation between all the entities.